What up, Rick? You can finally stop making fun of me. There we go. Should be good, right? Am I live on the x.com as well? What's up, JD? All right, let's quit this. Nice. We are live on the x.com. Very nice. Very nice. Yo, what's up, Rashid? Welcome. Okay. I don't have music on yet. What am I doing? What am I doing with my life, chat? We don't have any tunes on right now?
Made it properly tail recursive, like
yes.
Ocaml is actually my favorite.
Code Girl, I haven't even.
Oh my goodness! I actually died of Ligma.
I was going to announce that I'm watching episode 0 on Prime Channel. How is it so far, Rick? Code Girl, and the 5 free subs too. I was gonna say I'll do a mullet as well, because Prime's doing it for the November event, right? Am I understanding that correctly? I was busy working, believe it or not. Actually, I was watching my kids. But is Prime getting a mullet? And for what? You should have done this earlier. It's genius. Thank you. 2 years of mullet? That cannot be what he agreed to. It cannot be 2 years of mullet. There's no way. There's no way that was the terms and conditions. Oh, we have to edit. Commands, edit, course. No. 2 years? Give me a clip proving that to be true. Okay, course. My course on memory management is live. Get it at boot.dev with promo code TEAJ for 25% off. Okay, there we go.
Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate
We probably
and
should have
Ashley.
actually done this as edit
Mary Kate
bootdev
and
slash
I was 8
teach,
when I
because that's
met
actually a
Mary Kate.
better
That was actually the same day that I met Ashley.
slash bootdev slash teach. Already sub to teach. Can you gift again on Prime later? So none of as a Prime. Smart, Rick. Smart. You said it's a 2-year commitment. No. Bah! 2 years. 2 years. No. No. Oh. Okay, it'll take that long to go back to normal. That makes way more sense. There's no way he's keeping a mullet for 2 years. Did we have a script? No, we had a few talking points we wanted to make sure we did, but everything else was live improv, Rick. Oh, we're focused. You're very much live on X. Okay, nice. Nice. Oh, I need to start live on the YouTubes as well. I forgot. Live. All right. Let's start this too. I told him to grow the mullet with 2 people, so it only takes 1 year. That's smart. Adding more engineers. If he agreed to 2 years, then he wanted the mullet. There's no way he's gonna hold it for 2 years. Didn't get time for you, Miss Man. Nice t-shirt, by the way. Hey, thanks, guys. My course is live. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Happy C Course Day to all who celebrate. Happy C Course Day to all who celebrate. Oh my goodness. Did I make it in time for stand-up? If you Chat, if you didn't watch this yet, I do have to say, here, I'll send it in here. I felt like this was, I think we've got something here. I really think we've got something going on here. You know what I mean? Does anyone else feel like this could be something? I don't know. We've got some special guests planned. Yeah. Some guests that you're going to be surprised by. Something about 5 people this morning saying, why is this our lives? Oh, C# we're here. It was perfect. The best part is we didn't even make fun of C# at all. You know what I mean? Like, we just made fun of working at a corporation. You know what I mean? C# was just the vehicle. A movie. I mean, 7 seasons in a movie. You know what I mean? I do feel like we really have something special going on here. The hilarious thing is, will Pick make a special appearance? That'd be pretty good. 12,000 views. I don't know if this is good for Prime's channel or not in an hour, but I find it hilarious that 12,000 people watched us spend an hour writing Hello World. Oh, dude, if we could get Josh Hutcherson to play me in a movie, that would be crazy.
Made it properly tail recursive.
Dude, what if we could
like,
get Josh
okay,
Hutcherson as a
that was
guest?
Actually, my favorite.
Holy cow. Now that would be a special guest. That would really blow people's minds. The better looking version of me just shows up. Oh, dude. Josh Hutcherson shows up and he does everything better than me. He's just like everything I do, he does one step better. Yeah, I saw. He has a mullet. But so I was thinking of offering a similar deal, but now did you have a script? No. We just had a few things that I knew we were going to try and tackle along the way, but that was it. Honestly, Prime's best move is right here.
Like,
No, right here.
Campbell is actually my favorite.
Hey, MD, thank you. And Trisk as well. Thanks for the subs. What's up, E? Good to see you. Code Girl, though, seriously, thanks for the gifted subs. Oh, yeah. Yeah, fine. Good to see you, buddy. This killed me live, dude. I did not know he was going to have this up. He needs to warn me if he's going to have props like this set up. You know what I'm saying? How's he expecting me to open up this page and then not crack? That was not set up. That's just real. Yes. Yeah. Here. This part, I tried so hard not to break here as it came on. Well, why don't we take this out of stand up and into like synchronous mode? Is that good for you?
Yeah, I'm good with that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let's do that.
Okay, good.
So we did.
Okay, hold on. Let me get my work browser up. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I have the document opened right here. Yeah.
All right. So I believe we saw this earlier today. I think this is what we need to get accomplished. He got me so good on that one, dude. I was trying so hard not to laugh. I think I told the team that see, there it was. I couldn't. The gears were turning. The gears were turning so hard on that one. Did Prime set up? No, he was one of his gaming computers. Oh my goodness. This one's set up for his kids. Honestly though, the part that I actually broke so hard was when where was this here? I think it was, is that like, here. This.
So I think we got to fix this.
It goes red test, green test, red test, green test. We've been over this. I cannot count how many times.
Okay. Yeah. No. Good point. Here. Let me just change the greeting. Oh, wait a second.
Oh.
I never even thought about that.
This part I lost it, chat.
No.
I honestly lost it so bad here.
Here, let me get that red test
I'm a
really
little
quickly.
embarrassed how
Let me just get that-
badly I
hold on,
lost it after
Just let me,
this.
hey, just let me get the red test really quickly.
Yeah,
Just
I can see it.
Okay, I still have a successful green test.
Properly tail
Which I mean,
recursive,
obviously
like,
you were right on this one.
Camel's
It was
actually my
This is
favorite.
why I always go.
Oh, guys, look at that.
Sorry, it started the music again. Sorry. Dan, dang it.
Look at this. ChatGPT just put "Hello World" in here.
Prime's laugh, dude. I did not think I was gonna break Prime on that one.
Camel is actually my favorite.
Look at it, Dan. I did not think I was gonna break Prime with that screen. Oh my goodness.
Guys, look at this. Look at this. ChatGPT just put "Hello World" in here. I'm a little disappointed by the fact that it didn't reference my file properly. So I think I'll fix this.
Oh my goodness. Dude. Okay. Oh, anyways, so we probably will record a few more of these on LinkedIn. We have some other plans. All right, we can announce the Discord now. We're live. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. At everyone. Finally live again. But more importantly, my memory management course is live on boot.dev. Twitch, Tej, BB. Okay. Have you ever worked somewhere that required Scrum/Agile? Depends what you mean. Prime held together pretty good. Yeah, but his giggles caught me though, Code Girl. I can't believe you missed office work so much that you gotta cosplay it now.
Yeah, but let Dan Vale say weird things.
Yeah, let Dan say weird things. Good point. Promo code the Dan Vale for 25% price increase. That'd be smart. Can't see the course without login. What's it teaching? You should be able to log in for free though. Like you should be able to create an account for free and look at all of the content. Lhasa, like just log in with something. But we've got C basics, structs, pointers, enums, unions, stack and heap, advanced pointers, stack data structure, objects, ref counting, mark and sweep GC. Chat, just 101 lessons. Chat, only 101 lessons. What's cooking? We're hanging out. We'll work on some stuff today. Celebrating getting the course live. Should I learn memory management in C since PHP is a wrapper of C and manages memory for me? It actually talks about why it's still worth thinking about. Yeah. Looks amazing. I've already started. Oh, nice, Halo. Very cool. Quick video where you read the whole C documentation. Yeah, it's a quick video. Just a quick video. It's seg faults at about 37 seconds. Not seeing with anything without account in the day and age of data breaches, every left and right is just weird. Not seeing anything without account. In the account when day and age. Yeah, but what would you leak if you just log in with like an OAuth thing or whatever? I don't know. That's not me. I'm the course guy. I just made a course. It's not my website. You can blame Lane if it's not working for you. So you're telling me I can build my own generational garbage collection in Rust proc macros with this? Well, at least after this, you'd be able to. Maybe you'd need to take a lot of other courses to get there too, but yes. Yes. Hey, Halo Boy, thanks. Let's blame Lane. That's what I always do. You know what I'm saying? That's exactly what I always do. No. You're good. You're good, Lhasa. I don't know. So it's like, I thought you should be able to see everything. I think Lane tries to make sure that you have to log in so that people can't just scrape the entire website and rip everything off. That's my guess, but I haven't talked to him about it. Because it's kind of a lot of work to get all of the content. You know, that's kind of like a big deal. C devs manage memory, JS devs manage auth and hair dye. I thought that was Godot devs. Why didn't you do the manual memory course in JavaScript? Cameron, good point. Maybe I'll think about that for next round. It's not interactive. It's true. That's the best part about it. But why would I choose boot dev over Coursera, Udemy, free code camp? Hashtag ad, because obviously they paid me to make the course. But the reason that I like boot dev over them is boot dev is like start at the top, work your way down. I think that's way better. Instead of having 37 carbon copy things of learn go with that are all just mediocre, boot tries to have one good one, right? So I think that's like way better, right? They're like, we're trying to make just a good version of this. And then the thing that I like, boom, right here. Whoops, for some reason I wrote /Tej inside here. Boom. We need to say Snake Lang submit. 1 for 1, boys. 1 for 1. Oh yeah. Next one. How do you do it? What do you need to write? Bada boom, bada bing. This kind of idea, right? So I think that's sort of the differentiating thing I've said for Lane is boot dev's like a syllabus, right? It tells you in order versus like Udemy's like a magazine, right? Sorry, stopping with I won't do any more spoilers. No more spoilers. Site so fast. Go mentioned. Brilliant answer. Yeah, thanks. Otherwise, I wouldn't have done it with them. You know what I mean? Like I could have just made a Udemy course instead for the same idea, but I think Boots is I really like Lane as well. So I wonder, should I post this now? Where is the course introduction? Here we go. Here. This is I'll probably post this shortly.
Hi everybody, my name is TJ Javries and I will be
You probably can't even hear this.
Introduction to Memory Management. A course that is going to give you, the student, an overview of what it means to manually
I hate watching myself at 1x speed. We have to move to 1.5.
manage memory, which is
I
different
can't
than
watch
all of the
myself at
languages
one.
that you've encountered so far on boot.dev. And as we learn more about this, we're actually going to work our way all the way to building 2 simple versions of garbage collection. Now, if you're not familiar with what garbage collection is, you might first assume that it's the thing that comes and deletes all of your coworkers' code. While that would be a useful feature for any language to have, that's not actually what we're going to build in this course. Instead, we're going to build something on top of a simple object system that we learned to build, how to either track objects directly and find when they're not referenced, or using an alternative approach called market suite, we'll be able to find out if any of those objects are still alive. Now that might sound complicated, but we're going to take step by step along the way. We'll teach you every C feature that you need to know to be able to build this, and then as we progress through, you'll be exposed to more and more ideas about manually managing memory in C, as well as how other languages manage memory for you. I hope you.
So there you go. That's pretty much the course. Where's the Subway server in bottom right? Yeah. Yeah. So anyways, we'll probably post this later. Nice voice. Got a trainer? What? We teach me how to delete my coworkers' code as well, though. That's an important part of working with Lane, at least. We are live and coursing. Writing some Rust, by the way. It's like OCaml, but better. Geek. Rust is pretty good for some things. Same, can you be 1.2? Yeah, I'll try. I was trying to explain stuff ever since watching LSP vids. Pumped. Hey, thanks, Ram. Thank you. Who is your voice coach? My parents taught me how to speak. And since then, I've been doing it. You know what I mean? Like, that's kind of what it is. Prime C# video, so good. Please do it again. We are going to. Don't worry. Don't worry. We've got some special guests lined up. He's been speaking for most of his life. This is great. It's crazy. Boot dev made me addicted to Go. You speak eloquently. It's actually live now on Prime's channel too. More C# or other languages too. It's really not about the language. It's really about setting up a satire on the corporate workplace and also making you guys giggle. I know. We did get some people who didn't like that we used C#, but what can you do? As I explained, showing that you can have fun on LinkedIn expands the Overton window of what people think of being able to have fun. So now more people will think it's possible to write C# and have fun. So it's like I am doing C# a favor. Should I do your course before Go or parallel? I think before is good. Lane has it listed as the thing basically immediately preceding. The right click copy paste was killing me. I like that we spent, I don't know where it is. We spent 10 minutes in the middle timing how fast you could copy paste. How hard was it to not laugh? Oh, dude. It was so hard. I had to not have Twitch chat open. It made me click away when Prime forced you to turn your camera on. My brain going nulled. Gotta get the KC moratorium see-through whiteboard. That would be pretty sick. Management will not approve of this. So anyways, C# isn't real. Fun in Microsoft does not seem possible combo, but we did it. We had fun on LinkedIn streaming, chat. We did it. There's a discussion in one of the episodes. Dan, I'm going to message you right now with a super secret. Do not spoil. I DM'd you right now, Dan. Yeah. Yeah. LinkedIn Park. Next video, you should make the code video in the editor smaller and have all the bloat take up the entire screen. Spoil, please? No, I can't. Didn't Prime get banned on LinkedIn? We had to go through some executive connections to get Prime unbanned. I'm not kidding. We had to get the insider. An actual insider, Giga Chad, to help us out and solve our problems. Because obviously it needed to get streamed on LinkedIn. Connections. Yeah. Did you find out why Prime was banned? It was the mustache. Why was he banned? Lamau. I think because he's not a real person. LinkedIn streamer accounts, yeah. They don't actually want people to use the feature because they lose money when people stream. I'm pretty convinced that's why. Like, my guess is that LinkedIn is like, shoot, I can't believe we gave people the ability to live stream just so we could say that we have this feature, and now someone's going to use it and cost us a bunch of money. Doesn't allow for VTubers. Yeah. I heard, Dan, I don't know. This is just word on the street. Hey, thanks, Halo Boy. LinkedIn's racist against furries. That's what I heard. I'm not saying Prime is one. I'm just saying seems kind of like a weird coincidence. You know? Seems like an awfully weird coincidence he gets banned. He's about to get race against furries. Finally, something goes right online. The first time I've agreed with LinkedIn. I'm going exclusive with LinkedIn if they're actually racist against furries. Oh, man. Where would the sysadmins look for jobs then? They don't look for jobs. They just keep on sysadmining forever. Dan, I'm going to send you my dream last episode. Sysadmin is the lifestyle. Exactly. He'll be the Mulletagen for the next 2 years. Is this why he was unbanned? Maybe. Sysadmins are underappreciated heroes. True. SRE DevOps. Right, they renamed themselves to get more money. It's a good... Rebranding is important. Like, I rebranded myself as someone who's employed for this video, and it's doing well. You know what I mean? Should be demo session where original requirements are not fulfilled. We're going to maybe do something like that. Next is platform engineer. Don't worry, chat. We've got ideas. We've got so many ideas. So anyways, thought Prime was the CEO of the startup. That's the only problem is we are, this is kind of breaking some lore, but actually what I was thinking is, which I'm not actually, I'm not going to say what I was thinking. Anyways, I can't tell you guys. I want to surprise you guys with a lot of things. You know what I'm saying? I want you guys to get surprised. Self-employed. Prime can always hire you at the startup. No, we're not going to use VS. This is enterprise development. Prime breaks lore like Amazon Prime does with Lauder and Wheel of Time. No, we respect the lore. Okay, geek. We're going to find a way to make it work. I actually just DM'd Prime my idea, and it's a good one. So he'll read it in 3 to 5 business days. Oh, the startup? What is the startup doing? Sell an M license? No, we're actually pre-product. We're not only pre-revenue, we're pre-product. But we raised $5 million from YC. What can you say? That's it. I'm defaming you in the Game Engine Discord. First off, pre-alpha? No, we're Sigma. We're post-alpha. This is a Sigma company. We don't do beta tests, only alpha and Sigma testing. Okay? Igor, you're onto something there. You're onto something there. Ew. Is that C sharp? Could be. Could be. I laughed so hard during this video on my way to work. So many things happened during it that I'm so glad Prime, dude, when Prime giggled when I stood up and he finally saw me here. This gotta do stand up, dude. Oh my goodness. The startup is a service as a service company. Thank you for understanding, Muckler. How can you see sharp without glasses? I have 20/24 vision. I understand exactly what's happening this year. Okay, I've done 1 out of 101 episodes. I so want to put it on the projector at the office. The 7th episode, management asked to change the language. Your vision's out of date. You can see into the future? No, that would be 2025 vision. 2025 model's already out.
Recursion.
True.
It's a
Booking Thomas room all day and just have this on.
I finally have the
What's
best
the
definition.
startup? What isn't the startup? I think is actually a better question. The startup is a new series that Prime and I are maybe gonna do of performance art. I don't know what else would you call this, chat? Friday morning live? FML? Oh my goodness, how did I not even think of that? Oh! I can't believe I didn't even think of that before. Friday morning live instead of Saturday night live. And it's just a big satire thing. FML chat. Oh man. I think we might be onto something there. This is The Office meets SNL. Exactly. Yeah. It's scrum bait. That's really good. Thank you, Bockler. Thank you. I'm feeling good about that one. I'm feeling good about that one. To be honest, I send this to my own team and say it's my last day on Friday because triggered for being too real. I'm just glad people thought it was funny. Prime and I thought of it while we were at TwitchCon, and we were like, we have to give it a go to see if people will enjoy this. You know what I mean? But it seems worth attempting. You know what I mean? And so I'm just very happy to see that that people are getting some good laughs out of it. I feel like maybe our tagline should be like, he's funny for a programmer. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like that's a pretty accurate representation of what's going on. Is Prime on right now? Should we ask him where Mullet?
LinkedIn chat's not running today.
Should I knock? Oh, should I knock, chat? Here, we can knock. I don't know how this works. How does this work, chat? I'm knocking on his channel right now. I'm knocking on his channel right now. Hello? At the Primogen, I'm knocking on your channel. No, I know.
Oh, can you tell TJ to knock again? Can you tell TJ to knock again?
I'll knock again. I'll knock again right now. Knock.
To knock again.
I'm
All right, let's
knocking.
on this side.
Okay, okay. Try shared chat. I'm trying shared chat right now. Can chat hear your call? I have no idea. Why did I just hear a fart? Oh, that's someone's Steam song. Okay, nice. I thought it was somehow from this. It's so we can go like this. Keck W, Mullet, Keck W, and then my chat can send that right now. That's true. That's because I was knocking on your door though. So that makes sense. Are you really keeping it for 2 years? This is a crazy investment. I've never seen chat think for longer than 30 seconds ahead. How did they get to this scenario? That's true. Wait, so are you gonna have it by November? Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Can you guys not hear Prime? Oh, they can't hear you. Oh, okay, okay. Hodl, I'll. Neither of our chats. Hey, dude, how's it going? What's up? Okay, keep talking. I'm saying I'm talking. Hello, I'm talking. Can you guys hear him now? I'm mixing right now. Broadcast remix. Okay, here. Now chat should be able to hear you, I think.
Yeah.
Keep talking, chat.
I don't think that I'm a big fan of this idea of shared chat. Thank you, Profound, and thank you, Exploit.
Still no. We could already hear Tej. Now, okay, yes. But it's low. That's good. I don't really want you guys to hear him very well, so that makes sense. What did I route you to? Music.
What is this?
Okay, here we go.
Glad to see someone sharing their testimony. Yeah.
Okay,
I
now.
can hear myself now.
Shared chat. What's up, low level? Low level TV. What a sick username.
Hey, what a great username. Hey, I'm echoing hard.
You can hear yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, that's because my input to you is probably my microphone is this. Hodl. Now, what about now?
You're a lot more quiet. Can you talk again?
Yes, I'll keep talking, but now I'll move myself up to volume. I moved myself louder, I think.
It's telling me that I have performance issues.
Well, yeah, that makes sense.
I'm not sure exactly what that means, but I have performance issues.
Yeah, I think that's the politically correct guide to saying skill issue.
Yeah, that is.
I still don't know I don't even know if chat can hear you well or not. I don't even know what's happening. I just knocked to try and understand what was going on with mullets.
All right, well, hold on. Somebody is saying that they got banned for invalid reasons. All right, Sebastian.
Oh, that's a bad plan, guys. Invalid reason.
Yep. Well, I mean, to be fair, I have banned people. for invalid reasons. Okay?
Invalid reasons.
But let's see it.
Let's.
Expose it.
What's the user? What? Who? Now you have to expose it, aren't you? Exposing it? Just
Yeah,
go to your
well,
user.
I need to find out the Twitch. I need the Twitch name.
Yeah, I do like how now, since we have multiple like chat arenas, you can like people can make their requests here, and then we can find out. I do sort of like that.
Yeah.
Wait, did you ban him for being an invalid? And that is ableist, actually.
Oh, this user. So it hasn't chatted in my channel. So it must be from your channel.
What?
Here.
Okay, I'm checking right now. I'm checking right now. User. I've got not banned in my channel though. Am I
not banned in my channel either?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last message is Teach. Okay, I'm a magician. I would never. I'm not banning someone who's typing stuff like that.
Yeah. You'd never ban. I mean, that sounds lovely.
Wait, so they're just not banned? I changed my username, but you banned the phone number.
I'm not sure what that even means.
Were you spam calling him?
Yeah, what does that even mean? All right, hey TJ, I'm gonna watch the entirety. Oh, actually, there's an ad. There's still an ad in progress.
Okay, nice.
I'm gonna watch the entirety of the Rails World Conf.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
that sounds
it's
good.
An hour long.
So it's your only video for the day. 4 hours incoming. Yap. Get your yaps out, boys.
Get your yaps out. We gotta go. And by the way, people are loving the what's it called?
The startup.
The C#.
Yeah. Hey, check your DMs. I had a great idea for a progression, like a thread that we could do. But additionally, should we? So we can't change the name because the startup's too good. But Friday morning live, maybe that's when we should stream it, and it's FML instead of SNL.
Friday morning live. That's actually pretty funny. FML. I like that name a lot.
We're mostly gonna beat each other senseless, make enemies with Disney, tell a few dick jokes, make a few jokes at my expense.
Do you guys like the name Friday Morning Live, FML?
Friday morning live. But did you see my idea from before that? I didn't want to tell chat, but I think it's a good story arc.
Okay. Let's see. I don't see what you're talking about.
In Discord DMs? I'll send it again. I'll just send it 3 times.
Oh, yeah. I see it. Oh, I like it. Yes.
Right?
Yeah, we should definitely do that.
Right?
Yeah.
Because otherwise we're breaking lore, but this way we're building lore. We do not want to be Amazon Rings of Power. Like, we're going to build lore. You know?
We're building lore.
The best part would be creating a more engaging story on the fly that people enjoy and laugh at than $1 billion.
Can we create a more cohesive story than Rings of Power?
Live on LinkedIn.
Live. Thank you, buddy. Polling a Rings of Power. No, we're not polling it. We're unpolling it. Good call, TJ.
Oh,
all
man.
Right, TJ, you know
okay, bye.
You know what's about to happen.
I'm leaving.
Bye.
I'm leaving before you can leave. Chad, I don't know what just happened. Are we done? Did my knock work? Are we finished? I don't know what's going on, honestly, right now. I don't know what's happening. We're just back to just me, right? Hey, thanks, Pravon. Yes, it worked great. Nice. Whoa, how is my chat duplicator doing this? It is not my birthday, but it feels like it. Weiru, Geek, Halo Boy, thanks everybody for the subs as well. And Bunny, pulling a Rings of Power. That is not what we want to do, but that was actually a subscription to Prime, so I don't know why I thanked that person. Disgusting. Pulled viewers. Now we can leave. Get roasted, Prime. We got him. I didn't even mention that I stream, by the way. What was I thinking? It's your boot dev birthday. True. Do you just read chat from your Twitch stream or YouTube too? I read from YouTube as well. What the heck? Prime's in your screen. Please make a Rust course. That's actually on our to-do list to think about. What's up, Ibrahim? But we needed to do this one first before we can do Rust. Your birthday? It's my boot dev birthday because it's the birth of my course, but it's not actually my birthday. That's people just saying things and then Dan pinning it to confuse chatters. Elixir course? I don't know. It's not on my to-do list. My to-do list is either Rust or OCaml next, I think. But we'll probably make some like supplementary stuff for this. We'll of course need to fix some things. People are going to find some issues, blah, 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 stuff like this. But I would really like to get this not being Python, or at least like an alternative box where you could learn this in OCaml. How is to be in your late 40s? Exactly. Exactly. What do you think about a collab with Low Level Academy? I think it's pretty supplementary. I mean, I love Low Level. I don't know if it like makes sense to do a collab for it. Like his is much more about like actually learning how to do C, right? This one is like, hey, you want to be a backend engineer? Let's get you thinking about memory. You know what I'm saying? When you said OCaml, you meant Haskell? Never.
Like,
So when's the next course?
OCaml is actually
Guys,
my favorite.
it just got released today! You know what I'm saying? So it's like they're like orthogonal to each other in a lot of ways. Think about it. Just do it. Maybe keep the Python one as introduction, do actual FP and OCaml. Yeah, that was one of the things we were thinking about maybe doing like down here. You know what I'm saying? Like, okay, you could do an OCaml one at the bottom down here. I don't know. That's one of the things is trying to figure out where to place it. Have you ever looked into Rockling? I've looked at it. I haven't tried it. Hope you will get your next course up and running next sprint session. Yes. OCaml course would be cool. Is there a prerequisite? It would be, generally speaking, you know what like functions are. Like if you've done any of these, then you'll be good. We start all the way at the beginning of like learning C basics though. I mean like all the C basic things we do, you know? JetBrain's working on ID. I saw that. I was going to follow up on that later. And I was like, they need to call me ASAP. Huge URL on your main rock. Really? Can you send me a link to that? So high level, the prereqs. Yeah. Well, we teach you everything you know about C, right? What are functions? Yeah, so it's so I don't know. So we'll have to see what the next one is gonna be. Like an OCaml one would take me less time because we would just do something similar to like what's going on in this. We could do all of these in OCaml like much more quickly. It's a lot of lessons, chat. I did a lot of lessons for this. 101 separate lessons. That's a lot, you know? Building an application. Yeah, we'll take a look. I don't really necessarily have anything planned today. We're just chilling. It's a lot. That's what I'm saying. Main PF platform. Oh, that's kind of wild. Yeah, what the... This is like what version it is? Oh, that's crazy. Club looks awesome. Hey, thanks, Miguel. Appreciate it. What's up, copy paste? 100% sure what that is, but yeah, it must be the platform and version, right? It's like trying running this rock dev. Okay. Is that great fun lang? Yeah. I imagine at some point it'll be like platform 1.0. Could you mention the average chapter of your courses that is interactive for free? Could you mention the average chapter of your courses that is... I don't know what you're saying. Could you mention the average chapter? I don't know what you're saying. Supposed to be lower level than OCaml with things like I8, U size and stuff, not only number. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I mean, it seems like an interesting language. We could try it out sometime. Like everything in chapter 5 is interactive for non-members. Oh, in boot dev? Oh, I don't know. In this, you can do the first 5 chapters even if you're not a boot dev member. Oh, I didn't know that. I don't know. That's up to Lane to decide. That's great though. Lane is very generous with the free tier in my opinion. That's part of the reason I like boot dev as well. Oh, chat. Pretty cool shirt, huh? Pretty cool shirt. I'm going to gift a boot subscription for a friend to fix their skill issues. That's a great gift to give to a friend. It's a great gift to give to a friend. Didn't realize that first? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, just casually leaning back. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, what's going on here? Prime YouTube videos live. I don't know what's going on there. This one. This design patterns one. With that, I don't think I am, Bravon. It's a cool shirt. Thanks. Lane sent it to me, so. What's up? Is that Inuke? I don't know how to say your name. Welcome. Welcome to chat. I honestly don't have a big plan. I'm just feeling so happy that the course is like live and things are happening. Doot, 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 doot. Enuke. Nice. I was thinking about writing OCaml and doing more a singular form of Inuit. Or is it Inuit? I don't know how to say that either. You gotta excuse my Midwest pronunciation, chat, okay? It's really not good. It's really not good. I was thinking of doing more OCaml to JavaScript shenanigans today, to be honest. Get ready for your skill issue reports on the course. Tell me about it, dude. Honestly, my biggest fear for the course is because we're trying to not cover every edge case of C, I'm going to get actually replied for the next 6 months. You know what I mean? Like, because that's not the main point, is not getting every C edge case and getting people confused with random C trivia. I'm just going to get actually for the next 6 months, which hurts. It hurts. But you got to do what you got to do for the people. You know? I gotta go pee. I'll be right back. It's like talking to Prime. I have to go pee. I don't understand. Doesn't make any sense, but you, whatever. Do you ever go on vacation? Kind of. I mean, I went to TwitchCon, which was work, but also vacation. I didn't stream basically last week either. But that's because I was finishing my course. Oh, man. Prime hates weebs. You're not wrong, chat. You're not wrong. Okay, so the main question for today... is, what are we going to do? I'm feeling like celebrating, so that makes me want to write OCaml, obviously. Please reply to my tweet. If you do, I'll feed my dog. Okay. That seems pretty desperate. What is the tweet that I'm replying to? Anish, Anish Badri. Where? Teach, do you think YC would fund a NeoVim fork? I'll make sure it's ours now. Yes. We can call it NeoVim for very new. There you go. Now you can feed your dog. Boom. React harder. Oh, we're going to react so hard. Pairvim. I wasn't going to go there. They seem like nice guys, okay? I'm not going to dunk on him. I've talked to Pan before. He seems like a nice character. Okay. My dog is fed. Whew. That was a close one, chat. That was a close one. They seem like two nice people. Yeah. I'm just going to avoid dunking on them. Don't really care. I am a little concerned about the licensing thing. I know a lot of people are like KEKW founder mode engaged, but it does seem like a bad plan. To Joe Dot. That one, I'm less inclined to avoid dunking on. That one seems dumber. But whatever. The licensing thing did seem kind of questionable. Am I crazy to think that it's a bad plan? In my mind, it just makes YC look worse. Like, did they not check the license before they gave him a bunch of money? You had everything with Godot? I don't think so. There's an impossible amount to read. There was a lot. What's up, Aligo? Of course, I don't have any need for it, but maybe I convince my current corporate overlord. Ooh. See, it's applicable because it's not just for learning C. It's about thinking about memory. They started game engine. Okay, Mel, did you finish it? No, it could work for some simple stuff, but it's not like done. It's not useful. Yeah, the licensing is sus. Yeah, the licensing is the thing where I'm like, did YC just not check this at all? Wait, you checked the licensing using ChatGPT? It must be social extreme. No, that does not surprise me. That seems super reasonable to do. I would, like, for simple law questions, it seems to me surely ChatGPT can answer it correctly. You know what I mean? That seems like reasonable. Yeah, we explore a lot on stream. You know what I'm saying? Like, that seems good. But the thing I'm confused about is I don't understand how YC didn't check it. You know what I'm saying? Like, how does YC not be like, we formerly funded Continue. Let's check to see if this licensing is still good. Oh, nice. Now we're talking. I like this. Now this is code here. Yo, what up, Dylan? What's the YC drama I'm missing? It's not that exciting. It's just people raising money for different AI editor things. And then people making fun of them online, and then it's whatever. It's just not that exciting. The two guys seem nice. I've interacted with them a little bit before, so I'm not gonna... It's whatever. They seem like nice kids, you know. What are you gonna say? I'm doing great, Slammy. Released my Learn Memory Management course on boot.dev. If you're interested, promo code TEACH, by the way. It's live. It's live, by the way. It's live. You mentioned data-oriented design in your course, or is that out of scope? We did not. That's really not like the main idea. The main idea is much more focused on like getting you to think about memory at all. You can see like where it is in the course order and stuff. But we will build 2 simple garbage collectors at the end, so it's good, I think. What's next then? I don't know yet. Lane and I have to talk about it. So we'll see. We'll see what's going on. I do like this though. It looks good. This looks good. I like this idea. But where is your SQL highlighting inside of this? You know? Memory management in illegal C. Exactly. We'll see. What are you up to today? I don't know. Probably writing OCaml to celebrate. That's sort of what I feel like. You know what I mean? I don't need highlighting. I feel like this cooldown is way too low. Teaching people to use legal language. They call me the illegal language teacher. That's what they call me. I don't know. I couldn't think of a funnier nickname. Writing OCaml from scratch. Yeah. I'm just starting to code for my chances to get a job. Why are you putting it in a quote like that, Johnny? I don't understand. It has not been 9 months. I announced it 7 months ago. Everyone's saying 9 months. It's not true. It's not true. The reports about the length of time it takes me to build a course are greatly exaggerated. Okay? Okay? It's 10 months actually. He announced it on Discord. Gorange? That's fake news. Yo, Cakes, what's up? Exactly. It's like having a baby. It takes time to make it good. Right. And adding more cooks in the kitchen doesn't make the babies come any faster, you know? Cakes, what were you guys up to today? I'm having a pretty good day. Finally released my course that people have been making fun about me for months. Okay? It's done. It's finally done. Learn memory management. In C, on boot.dev. There you go, okay? Now people can stop making fun of me, I'm sure. Vanish. That would be a good time to vanish. So there we go. It's done, chat. All right? It's finished. Fiend. Cake sent pastries. Nice. Message effect use 0. I don't know what's happening. Working on gameplay. People making fun of me too about releasing the game. Just a classic Twitch chat scenario. Classic Twitch chat scenario. Got HD. Can't manage my own memory. Why would I manage C's? Maybe that would give you superpowers. Yo, what up, Nahan? Good to start your course today. That's great to hear. That is great to hear. Okay, should we just write some OCaml? I don't know. That's what I feel like doing today. I don't have any other better plans. I also want to understand Tailwind. Okay. You just need to save up for the year membership now. Almost there. Well, if you use promo code TEACH, it's 25% off. Writing OCaml just to feel something. Try Gleam. No, we're finally getting close to being able to do so many cool things with OCaml that I didn't know could work so well. Like chat. Check this out. Okay. Localhost 5173. Okay, this website. Oh, that is why I'm saving up for the year. Nice. Picos, is it happening? Writing Alexa with effect TS? No. No, and I have better than effect TypeScript. In OCaml, it's built, it works. For Riot or for what, Dylan? What are you saying? Because, chat, I'm trying to figure out, I don't know anything about putting things in the browser. So we have a lot to learn in that respect. But everything here, OCaml, my camel. How's templating on site? I was going to try and figure out, that's what I was going to figure out. Can we do server-side rendering static things? I don't know the word SSR. I'm pretty sure that's what we can do for this because I don't need anything besides this. And that would help with SEO is what I hear. Those are the letters. A lot of letters people throw out there. You know what I'm saying? Because everything here, we don't need this to be dynamic. But I don't know how to do that. I don't know if Leo added Pico support, but a lot of other schedulers support it. Nice. That'll be very exciting. Server reason react. So I know that that exists. I don't know if I can use it yet still. Because it confuses me. You might be able to use EIO stuff in Riot. Okay, that'd be cool. What is REST API? It's what I wish my kids would do from 1 to 3 p.m. when they're supposed to do their naps, but they don't. As far as I can tell. HTMX plus Tailwind arc? Well, we can just write OCaml. We may figure out how to do some HTMX shenanigans in it, but I don't think we really need it. So how am I supposed to use this? I still can't tell if I'm supposed to use this or not. Not in school yet then? No, they're not. No, I'm just kidding. Well, my oldest is 4 or about to be 4. He's just about to turn 4. And he started like some homeschool stuff, which is fun. Holden McGrowing? Hoping you are restful today. Nice. So he started. I just ordered Mbot 2. Let me just make sure this doesn't. Oh, I could just don't open this up on Amazon. We're gonna test this out because he's been saying he wants a robot. We're gonna try this together. But I ordered the one where he can also drive it. I ordered. They've got an extension where you can drive it around. So he's been saying he wants a robot so bad. Because he loves the Iron Giant. So we're going to test this out. He's getting this for his birthday. That's the one that I went for. We'll see if he likes it or not. But I'm pretty excited to give it a go. HTML for babies. We're going to start with robots for babies. Are there any car skins? Oh, that would have been so sick. It'd be so sick. Yeah, Denzel, I'll let you know. I'll let you know how it goes if you ask again.
The missile knows where it is at
Would you be
all
disappointed if
times.
none of your kids will start
It
coding?
knows
No, that's
this
fine.
because it knows where it isn't.
He asked me. Well, part of it is he knows that I code, right? He's like, coding. That's what Dad does. So he wants to try it out. And so he's like, I want to code a robot, and he thinks the main problem that I have right now is he thinks we're going to be able to build the Iron Giant. I keep trying to like set his expectations that that's just physically impossible. And he's like, okay, so we can't build the Iron Giant. Can we build a robot that's as tall as I can reach? And I'm like, no, you're really not understanding me, dude. No, we can't, you know? And I'm like, we literally don't have the technology. You know what I'm saying? I'm limited by the technology of my time. Limited by the technology of my time, right? It's this. This is the meme. Where is the meme? Image flip. Where? This one. We need to add a little spacing here. We need to go white. Me trying to explain to my 4-year-old that Dad cannot build the Iron Giant. Okay, this is me. Okay, this is me. This is literally me. Okay, we actually do Crunch Labs already. Literally me. Okay. Okay, because that's his expectation level.
Code good. He really does
Actually
love
possible
listening
though
to himself.
to build a human-sized one. Yes, but he cannot have it. You know what I mean? Like, he's going to turn 4. We cannot do human-sized robots. It's dangerous. Crunch Labs is fun. Yeah, Crunch Labs is great. So we've done quite a few Crunch Labs together, and he likes those a lot. He always excited to do the projects. Made another silly image of you. Great. Awesome. Where? Sounds like you ain't up for the challenge. I'm not. Layden, you gotta put pointer, like along here. Say like pointer. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm pointing. Like pointers, by the way. KiwiCo? Oh, nice. Maybe I'll check out KiwiCo as well. Where do I pay $500 for seeing this? You do need to pay to get this wallpaper in HD. Finger star? Nice. That's a good one. But so his expectations though right now are that we're gonna put that we're gonna get a robot that's like the size of him. So hopefully he's still excited about the small robot. You know what I mean? Like, hopefully he's still excited. But I think that one will be cool. And we got the one with a remote controller too, so he can drive it around. So even if he doesn't think it's as cool as a robot, at least he can have a RC car. But I am trying to work with his expectations. Iron Giant is his favorite movie, so it's like we're trying to do that. That part's going to be a little tough, you know? That's super cool. W Dad. Thank you. You should be careful though, because I heard on X.com it's actually bad for me to help my kid learn to code. Because it's bad. And I'm ruining his childhood by responding to what he wants to do and finding cool ways to do that with him. I do have a C course. Funny you should ask. boot.dev/teach is live today. What, really? Yeah, there were some people when from TeachDV, I think coding, I think it said like this. This one. I've got a currently very motivated, almost 4-year-old who's interested in coding. He loves looking, listening to books, knows all letters, sounds, do counting, recognize numbers. Best coding material, resource games to play to not make dad as boring. I said this, and then I got a few people replying, I'm ruining my kid's life. Nice, Lane. I like it though. Because he's asking me to do it, and I'm trying to find ways to interact with my son. I'm like, okay. Okay. Well, I'm gonna interact with him in a way that I think he'll enjoy. Yeah. A few people, John, did suggest Baba Is You, and so it's on my list to maybe try later. But I was trying not to do like video game things. I don't necessarily want him glued to the screen all day. The kid will end up installing Arch. That's my prediction. Well, I've never installed Arch, and I don't plan on my kids doing that either. How dare you try to have a healthy relationship with your son? Yeah. So I wasn't. Your people who ruin their lives by doing terminal. Yeah. So I will try some of the video game options later as he's older. Can't believe the course is live before my boot dev time ended. Thanks, TJ. I know. No problem, man. It's before you can marry someone. That's fair. True. Do you think it's evil to teach kids JS? Yes, of course. Obviously, if I had said I want to teach my kid how to be a web dev, I would have agreed with those people. You know, that would have made sense. They're like, yeah. Basically, they were like, because you're not getting him outside enough. Because what, we're gonna maybe occasionally do computer things. He's not gonna go outside. Me and my kid go for runs around outside all the time. Whatever. I didn't defend myself to them because there's no reason to defend myself. It was just very funny. I was laughing quite a bit about it. TGJS, I would agree. That's what I'm saying, Rira. But it's clearly not that. This is clearly not what we're gonna do. He's going to make more courses. I will probably make some more courses. Lane will just have to continue to run interference for me when it takes another 7 months. Yeah. Saying debating on Twitter is useless? Yes, of course. I never try and have a debate with someone. I don't mind stating what I think, but it's pretty useless to have a debate. Maybe to learn many languages. Yeah. So anyways, so we'll try it out. I'm excited too because this one has one of the other things I liked about this one, which not sponsored, but maybe they should reach out to me. Do they not have it as an example here? You can do programming with like just hitting some buttons on here, then you can do Scratch, and then you can even do Python. So it's like, we'll see how far he wants to go on it. I don't really, it's sort of like up to him, but it's kind of successful. Yeah. But I think but can you do C? Yeah. I mean, we can write C and import it into Python, I guess. Herverse can boxing match. Yeah, exactly. If sends to Europe. Yeah. It seems really cool. Scratch. Yeah. We'll see. I mean, I don't really know, but I'm excited to see how it goes. I do some unplugged, not exactly coding. CS unplugged. All right, we'll check it. I'll check it out. What age? He's turning 4.
Yep.
Oh, cool. Interesting. Okay. Computer science without a computer. Nice. I like that. Oh, cool. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, maybe we'll check this out later. I should send this to Kayleen. I'll keep this here so that I can remember to send that. All the Archade makes me want to switch to Ubuntu. Smart. Peer pressure works. Definitely too early, but yep. Yeah. He's pretty, not to brag, but I probably have the smartest 4-year-old of all time. You know? I probably have the smartest 4-year-old of all time. And he's the most handsome and the cutest and the best. I just started counting stuff. Yeah. Oh, yes. Me too. Yeah. Yeah, he's actually very good at counting. And he's really good at letters. And he already is sounding out some words. And he knows all of his colors. And no, so it's good. All kids are smarter than us. Yeah. I mean, obviously, I'm a little biased. But I think he's pretty smart. Yeah, like every father. Exactly, Javier. Yeah. I think I probably have the smartest kid ever. I was sitting in the room and he just suddenly declared E equals MC squared and everyone got up and started clapping. Albert Einstein DeVries, that's his name. Do we already make fun of you for launching on the literal last day of your promise? No, we haven't mentioned that yet. Teach more languages? I'm not sure. KV, I haven't decided. Efficiency, yeah. Just in time course shipping. I'm a JIT compiler for courses, Lane. Yeah, he just... Actually, though, so it was so funny. All right. I do think this is a pretty funny story. So we're on a walk yesterday, maybe 2 days ago, I don't remember. And we're walking around and we're talking and stuff. And I actually think we were talking about the robot scenario. Right? And he's still wondering why we can't get the Iron Giant. You know, and I'm trying to explain to him, like, we literally don't have the technology. We don't know how to make it. Like, at various times, people didn't have the technology to do lots of different things. Like, we didn't know how to make cars or, like, houses the way we do or stuff like... Or, no, I was saying cars. And he's like, did they not know how to make houses? I was like, well, we've known how to do houses for a long time, but, like, they didn't know how to do everything that we know how to do in houses. Like, before, they didn't know how to put bathrooms in the house. And they couldn't go to the bathroom in the house. And he goes... Did they have to go outside and poop and pee like dogs? It was so funny because he means literally like our dog. Like how Ember has to go outside and go to the bathroom. But the way that he said it was like exactly like, oh, like dogs? Like an animal? And it just was killing me, dude. Like dogs? Oh my goodness. I guess exactly. But so that was just got a Hexabot robot. You should check it out. Okay, cool. Yeah, nowadays kids thinking about invention, and for us, we're thinking about how to. So, anyways, it was super funny. So I'm excited. We'll see how this goes. I'll let you guys know, Chad. I'll let you know how this goes, but I think you'll like it. Nice. Oh, that's funny. Okay, chat. So let's write a little bit more. Okay, well, I shoved an address in your fist. I saw that AI, but it's small. Oh, I saw it, Lane. I saw. Lane, you know what I was thinking as well? I don't know how we need to do it, but we need to include some aspect of us learning from boot.dev in our new startup series. That's what I think we need to get this going. I don't know exactly how, but it needs to happen. I like the UI of Top Shelf. Thanks. I made it myself. And by that, I mean AI told me what to copy paste to put in. New what? Oh. Chad, if you haven't watched this yet, you're in for a treat. Okay? You are in for a treat. Does company send you on a quest? Oh, that's good. That's a good idea. Reactogen site? Prime didn't want it. He's like, I don't know that I'll use it. So I was like, okay, well then I won't do it. So. Right, we were gonna do this, chat. Quite a great show, thank you. Prime really looked like Sam Rockwell. Love it. Thanks. We're gonna do some more episodes. We've got special guests planned. Finally living up to my stand-up comedy tag. So, chat, the thing we need to figure out how to do is, do I just use this thing? I should just message Dave and ask him how I can use this. Dave. Is it possible for me to use server reason react today? And or how could I server side render something. Kek W. Okay, we'll ask Dave and maybe he'll know the answer. Receptor manager is a call. We're in already. Oh, don't worry. Don't worry. Are you loving Ghosty? Yeah, it's good so far. Demo. Let's check out the demo. This 3-folder shared server client, which encapsulates compilation target defined by Dune client. Find as Dune melange omit to omit JavaScript from reason. Yes, that makes sense. That makes sense. An executable that exposes a dream map with a home route which serves an HTML page. Nice. Written in server reason React and send it as a string. React DOM render to string. Okay. Folder contains live shared code in client server. Yep. Okay. I'm chapter 6 source, and all the banter is hilarious. Also learning some new stuff, so very nice. Chapter 6 already? Holy cow. You're flying through. Oh, nice. I'm glad you're liking it, though, and that it's also that the banter is fun and also helpful. That's really good feedback to hear. Thank you. I had a head start. Okay, nice. Think you'll stick either way, Ghosty, or switch back to Western? Yeah, I don't know. That's a good question. I don't have any strong opinions about it right now, to be honest. They're both really good, I think. They're both really good. Module error, handler dream router, dream HTML, render to static markup. Interesting. So that's basically the thing that I would need to do. Render to string. Document script is bundle.js. Okay, cool. Okay, got it. Got it. Render to static markup. Stream. Also very cool. Let inner ES build entry point here. Interesting. What is this ES build? What is this? Wow. That's pretty cool. Huh. Interesting. Okay, so the only thing that I kind of like want to try to do instead is I would really like to do this with Riot. I just don't know if it's a good idea. The other thing is then I need to buy like a VPS or something for this. If I'm going to run a server, I can't just put this static blob here. Making it from scratch in Go. Definitely not Go. If we were going to use Go, we'd just use like Temple or something like that. You can, yes, can say in comparison to my users, it feels way more informal, but in a good way, and all the pitfalls are suited nicely shown. Oh, nice. Oh, very cool, Aho. That's great to hear. Thank you. Because right now, we just literally send a JavaScript blob to Cloudflare pages, so I'll need to, I guess I need to like actually host this and do something with it. If I want to like have it do a server. But okay, so here's a question that I've got, chat. Maybe some of you have actually shipped a website before, so you can answer this question. Like, let's say I have this page. Okay, this is everything on this page. I know at effectively like compile time, right? I know everything that I want to do for it. So if I want to like, can I make a build artifact that's like an HTML page and then serve this with Cloudflare? Like, I guess, so because I have Cloudflare and then I'm doing right now just like worker, basically worker and pages. So I can server-side render, but I wouldn't need like a server then for it, right? I can just do this as like a build artifact, server-side generation, right? That's more like what I'm thinking. right? SSG. Right. So because basically what I have here, and they'll serve it for you, right? So I basically have right now, if I look at my main file, this makes a podcast.js. We can bump this a bit. Okay. So when I go to podcast MLX here, although if you're making from scratch, you have to handle your paths and stuff when generating the templates. Generate all the templates and just serve as an old school website. How frequently should it update? It doesn't need to update. It only needs to update once every 4 weeks right now. Because it would be, this is Neovim. Nux V3 works like that, but I guess you don't use it right. I'm not using it right now. Yeah, because it's like only when I get a new podcast episode for today. Later, we can explore doing something more complicated. You know what I'm saying? Later, we could do something a bit more complicated. And you can actually see Top Shelf, GitHub, TJ DeVries, Top Shelf FM. I think what I actually want to do is to server side generate something. I want to generate some static HTML, more or less, from as a build artifact, I think. I don't know. I don't know the right words. All right. My blog is an SSG that I have a job to push to prod and comments on me. That's basically what I'm doing as well. Right? So if I update this, oh, someone made a pull request. Fix latest episode, white background, green border proximity. Fair, I don't know much CSS, but this works. I mean, we'll have to check that out shortly. That makes sense. Generate static index based on a React tree. Yes, that's what I want to do. I think. Episode 0 is incredible. Is your background in The Office the great Michael Scott? It is. Yep. Also, breaking character and blaming on kids running into the wall was priceless. I couldn't think of a good enough reason why I would be laughing so hard in the in-character universe for that. So it's just the first thing that came to my mind was my kid ran into the wall. Thanks, Isaiah, though. Oh, that's funny. You nailed it. It was so smooth. Thank you. Thanks. Oh man. Actually, I'm gonna go grab a little more coffee, and then we'll start trying to figure out how we can do this. I'll be right back.